Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a dull video using CapCut. So if you have a low light or a poor video quality that you want to fix, you can just follow these steps that I'm about to show you. So first, you can just go to adjust in here, adjust menu, and let's increase the brightness. You can increase it to your liking. I'm going to go with around 9, and after that, the second steps is lower the highlight. So click on highlight and lower it a bit, for example -6. Click on a check icon and you can check the result first. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on adjust again, and here you can adjust the highlights and also the brightness again to your liking. I'm going to go with 10, for example. Click on the check icon and that's it. So I hope these simple steps will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.